It's a 2011 Chevrolet Traverse. This bold and beautiful crossover is loaded with standard features, including a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission, front and rear air conditioning, OnStar telecommunications, 4-wheel anti-lock brakes, and McPherson strut front suspension for an incomparable ride.
It's too hot. It's too cold. Not anymore with dual zone air conditioning. You'll always find the right fit with the ultrasonic rear park assist helping you out. The multifunction steering wheel helps keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel.
The Traverse gives you the best of all worlds with the supreme comfort and superb handling of a car, combined with the space and versatility of an SUV. You need to see this one for yourself. Come on in today and take it for a test drive.
Schaefer Chevrolet, serving you since 1928. We're online at SchaeferChevy.com. We're conveniently located at 125 North Mayville Street in Pinconning, Michigan.